Good afternoon, students. Now, the next measure of mortality is age specific death rate. Already you heard this name, age specific birth rate, right? Now, once again, just like a CBR and CDR, there is a small little change between ASFR and ASDR. See, let us just rewind. ASFR, age specific fertility rate. There, what we have calculated, the number of births occurring in a specific age. Say once again I repeat, the number of births occurring in a specific age divided by female population in that particular age multiplied by 1000. What did you observe here? Specific age you observed, and then female population you observed, right, and number of births. Now here in ASDR there is no such kind of female male like that, total. Okay, so deaths means everybody, anyone. Clear? See, why we are using this ASDR, I want to just give you an explanation of why we are using ASDR, reason to use ASDR. See, in CDR, what did you observe? Completely we ignored the age compositions. See, age compositions means, again, don't think like fertility, childbearing, quinquennial age, nothing of that sort. Age compositions are nothing but, see, generally, just now in the previous method I have explained, CDR we calculated overall total deaths divided by total population. But whenever you take the total deaths, say for example 0 to 5, 1000 deaths are there, 0 to 5 age group, 1000 deaths, and 60 and above 5000 deaths are there in a year. Just in between from 6 years to 59 years, just we have 500 deaths. Whenever you calculate that CDR, you are calculating total. That means you are individually, if you observe 0 to 5 age group having more death rate and 60 plus age group having higher death rate, but in between lower death rate. But you calculate CDR, total deaths you are taking into consideration. Definitely that impact will be there on the rate or not. Blindly you are following the CDR rate, but you are not particularly calculating the death rate of particular age groups, because age group death differs just like this. That is the reason I want to give why this ASDR is used than CDR. So CDR, it ignores age composition. Generally 0 to 5 age group and above 60, the death rate is very very high, and 25 to 40 is less death rate. So there is a use of identifying the death rate if you bifurcate the deaths in a particular specific age. So that is the reason we have used age specific death rate, ASDR. That is the only reason. CDR completely ignores age compositions, it calculates overall. Definitely the middle age group people having impact because of the 0 to 5 more deaths and 60 above more deaths, because you are considering total. But wherein ASDR, 0 to 5 will be having different death rate, and 25 to 40 having smaller death rate, and then 60 and above having again higher death rate. So there is a lot of difference between individual age death rates. So that we have to calculate by using this method, age specific death rate. So let us see the definition of ASDR. Average number of deaths occurring in a given age group per 1000 individuals in that specific age group in the year. So here, just like a ASFR, no female population or no like childbearing 15 to 40, nothing of that sort. Total deaths, total population, but one hitch is particular individual age group. You are finding the death rate, right? So the average number of deaths occurring in a given age group per 1000 individuals in that specific age group in the year. Fine. So for that reason this ASDR is used. See, let us see the formula of ASDR. Now look at this formula. The number of deaths in specific age divided by average population in that specific age, right, multiplied by 1000. See, only the thing, number of deaths in specific age by average population in that particular age into 1000. Individual age groups you are calculating it. Now let us see merits and demerits of ASDR. Merits. First merit is only the heading itself, age composition is considered, right? And then ASDR method is used for computing the next method, that is standardized death rate, STDR, which is very very important method among all the measures of mortality. And for exam viewpoint, it is very very important question for 5 or 10 mark. It may ask, I mean board may ask in the final examination. So the first merit is age composition is considered. Obviously, because individual age groups you are calculating, definitely particular age you are considering it. Now it is used for computation of STDR as well as finding the life table. Also NRR, somewhere you heard this word, NRR, net reproductive rate. Sir, why NRR? Because NRR is reproductive rate, this is mortality rate. Why NRR is connecting to this ASDR? I'll tell you. NRR, I have explained you, mortality is considered, survival rate of women is considered, survival rate in the sense like their mortality rate. So mortality rate means what? This one, right? ASDR. Because why only ASDR? Because age specific you are taking out. NRR also particular age specific, right? Women specific, but there it is women specific. Here women death rate we can calculate, I mean women mortality rate separately we can calculate to observe NRR. That is how their NRR survival rates are given. If you observe that survival rate calculation, only by using this only we have done it. They have given directly, right? So that is one of the merit. Age composition is considered and it is used for computation of STDR and life table as well as net reproductive rate. Now let us see the demerits. Demerits, it cannot be used for comparison of death rates of 2 or more populations, different populations. So only by using ASDR, ASDR is used to compute STDR. STDR is used for comparison of death rates. Just it is giving a helping hand to STDR to observe the death rate of different populations, I mean comparisons, only by using ASDR. But alone ASDR method cannot be used to compare death rates of different populations. Remember this. And then it ignores social and occupational factors. I have told you already, cause of death, we are totally ignoring it. See, it ignores social and occupational factors. Social and occupational factors means, for example, maternal cases. If you take it, if a baby is very weak in the womb of mother, then some cases in the womb itself baby will die. So that kind of cases we cannot consider the death rate. when a baby dies in the womb of a mother, that may not be count under population, right? So there are some medical issues where the baby being died, right? So such cases we totally ignore. And occupational cases also. For example, occupational cases in the sense sudden unexpected deaths, right? For example, murder, so and so, such kind of cases, police cases. So there the deaths. Also, some cases will be totally ignored. So it ignores social and occupational factors. So for death there is no particular season, guys, remember. Anytime, any place, anywhere it happens when time comes. So birth and death, those two are natural process in this world, right? So those two are the major vital events. Obviously we have to find out ultimate events were in our life, birth till death. In between, many kind of casual and regular and occupational events may occur. It comes and goes just like a passing cloud. Okay, so but these two things were common in everyone's life: birth, death. Clear? So here also the cause of death is totally ignored. We are totally ignoring the cause of death. We are least bothered about cause of death. Now these are the merits and demerits of ASDR. Now let us see the problems on ASDR, how to calculate. So here come the problem number 1. Example, calculate ASDR for 15 to 25 age group and 25 to 40 age group. So particular age group, the calculation of ASDR is taken. See, I have put it in box. Those two age groups only we have to calculate death rates. I mean age specific death, particular specific age we have to calculate. See, we have to consider now 15 to 25 what is the population and what are the deaths, and 25 to 40 what is the population and how many deaths. Only those two should be considered, remaining all are leave it, ignore it. ASDR of 15 to 25 age, the number of deaths occurring in specific age 15 to 25 by average population in that particular age 15 to 25 into 1000. In a short format I have written, but in the examination you have to write the complete formula, remember, because formula carries 1 mark. Every problem formula writing is a must. See, for 15 to 25 deaths 600 and 15 to 25 population 30,000 into 1000, you get the value 20. So 20 is the death rate between age group 15 to 25. And then 25 to 40, see there, 400 divided by 28,000 into 1000, you will be getting 14.28 deaths per 1000 population in particular age 25 to 40 age groups. For every 1000 population we have a death rate 14.28. Approximately 14 deaths are occurring per 1000 population between the age groups 25 to 40. Am I clear? This is how we have to calculate ASDR. Now let us see one more problem. There specifically they have mentioned in the question 15 to 25 and 25 to 40, both the age groups. But here all the age groups we have to calculate ASDRs from 0 to 9 till 60 and above. See, generally as I mentioned earlier in the theory concept, 0 to 9 look at the deaths 1000, and 60 and above look at the deaths 1200. Now in between all the deaths you see lesser than those two among all the age groups. But definitely if you do not calculate individual death rate, if you calculate CDR for this kind of problems, definitely the more deaths happening in particular age group, that is 0 to 9 and 60 and above, those rate impact will be happening on the remaining age groups. if you calculate CDR for this problem. That is a drawback in CDR calculation. We can indicate the rate of decrease of population in brief, but that is a wrong method of finding the mortality rate, actually speaking. So there the demerit has overcome in this method. So particular age groups we have to calculate. Let us see. So for the initial age group, first and foremost you need to show at the bottom of the table. For the first age group you have to show. Remaining all directly in the table itself you have to calculate, just like ASFR. Okay, but for the first age group it is mandatory to show at the bottom, because this carries 1 mark. In the scheme of valuation, if you observe in the board exam, the evaluator will observe whether this initial age group is calculated or not. Based on this also, sometimes they will be correcting directly without checking the observations. Clear? Values. See, for the initial age group, ASDR of 0 to 9. So number of deaths occurring in that specific age, 0 to 9 by short format I have written. Please guys write complete formula I have given already. Number of deaths happening in specific age, 0 to 9, divided by average population in that particular age, 0 to 9, multiplied by 1000. So if you observe all the methods, I mean measures of fertility, measures of reproductive, measures of mortality, always we consider 1000 individuals. Okay, how lesser you take the population, the more precise rate you will be getting it, remember. That's why minimum 1000 population we have taken it. So 1000 divided by 20,000 into 1000, the value is 50. That is for initial age group. Now the remaining age groups, directly you have to calculate it. Individual deaths by individual population in that specific age multiplied by 1000. You will be getting 33.30, and then next, and then next. All these calculations are needed. So this total need not be calculated. Remember, just we are finding individual age groups only. This total is nowhere considered. Okay, ASDR whenever you calculate, just column you make it, initial age group you calculate, and then the remaining from second to last, remaining all you calculate directly by using scientific calci and show in the column. That's it. This is more than enough. Okay, so again, don't write this individual units, deaths per 1000 population in specific age, like that. Actually it has to be written, but overall individually you are calculating, no, that is more than enough. Okay, it goes without saying, obviously, right? So this is how the ASDR calculation. These two already, if you compare with CBR and ASBR or ASFR, quite similar. There births, here deaths. That's it. Everything is same kind of calculation. But in CBR, there male, female, like that individual populations are given. But where in CDR, single population. Okay, because deaths happens to everyone. There is no bifurcation like only male deaths or only female deaths. It happens to everyone. I said just newborn baby to n number of years, the death may occur at any time. Clear? So this is all about age specific death rate. I hope I am very clear about the measures of mortality which are referring to deaths and the death rates by using some concepts. I mean measurement of population, measurement of mortality rates, CDR, ASDR, just now we have completed. These are the major methods, and the next one is very important from exam viewpoint, as well as finding the rate of decrease of population, the precise rate which we will be getting. And then here in ASDR there is a drawback. Comparison of different population death rates is difficult to observe in ASDR. That is possible in STDR, standardized death rate. We can calculate and we can compare the death rates of two different population in STDR, the third method, standardized death rate. But to calculate that STDR without considering ASDR, STDR cannot be computed. Remember this. That is one of the merit. By this I am going to wind up this class. We shall meet in the next video. The important concept, standardized death rate. So I hope you are understanding very easily. Follow the first merit always. Simple to understand, easy to calculate. Always keep that in mind. Concepts are very easy to understand as well as very easy to calculate, right? So you have a merit of listening all these classes, remember. So I am going to wind up this class now. We shall meet in the next video by calculating and observing standardized death rate, which is very very important for exam viewpoint as well as measurement of mortality, the important measure. Fine. So stay home, stay safe, be very very healthy. So soon we are going to meet in the college. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye.